Welcome back to Ortho Implants for Life, your go-to channel for everything related to the orthopedic implant industry. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start a business in this field, a professional seeking a new career path, or an orthopedic or assistant curious to learn more, this channel is for you. We started this channel with a vision to educate, guide, and support those venturing into the orthopedic implant sector. And thanks to you, your questions, your curiosity, and your incredible support, we are back with more insights, tips, and guidance. So, what's new? We listened to your feedback, and this time, we are diving deeper into real-world scenarios covering essential business strategies, career advice, and handling of new surgical instruments. We will have weekly videos that answer your most asked questions and provide step-by-step guides for anyone looking to excel in this niche. So, whether you're starting a new orthopedic implant business or just want to keep up with industry trends, Ortho Implants for Life is here for you. We're excited to continue this journey together. Ortho Implants for Life, empowering your path to success in the orthopedic industry.